Okay, for this video we're going to show a direct attack against weak authentication using a brute force technique. There are a lot of smarter ways that you can do this, but this should help fully show a good example of how this can be done. So we come to the BW app and we're in the broken auth password attacks. And we can see up here, we know that the password username is B and bug, which are the default for the systems. But we're going to actually show what this looks like if you have a form that does not have appropriate lockouts on it. So let's go ahead and do B and type in AAA. And so if we come over here to Zap, we should now see that we have our request here. And we can see with the request, we can see where we submitted B and password AAA. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and fuzz this. And we're going to go ahead and select the password and click add, and we're going to create a fuzzing place for it. Click add. If we wanted to be a little bit smarter about this, there are some options for doing file fuzzing, and if we come down here to fuzz, for example, password lists, we could select some of the password lists that are common in there, but what we're going to do, because we know that this is a super short password, we're actually going to show off the regular expression, and we're going to do A through Z and do 3 in length. So what that's saying is it's going to iterate the entire space of the letter A through Z 3 times, and we're going to go ahead and crank up the maximum number of payloads just to make sure that we cover everything. And if we do a generate preview here, we'll see that it's going to try AAA, then AAB, AAC, and so forth. So let's go ahead and click that, click OK, and we're going to go ahead and start our fuzzer. So what it's doing is it's making a request over to that page with every single iteration, and is going through, and we can see that almost all of the header body response sizes are the same except for this one down here. It looks like we found one, and it was for payload bug. And if we come down here and look at the response, we should be able to see login successful. So we have now officially brute forced that login.